Designline by Oatey drain assemblies come in a variety of styles and finishes to elegantly complement your bathroom and accommodate your sink requirements, including form and fit, lift rod pop-up, basin plug, and grid drain styles. Designline pop-up drain assemblies are perfect for upgrading tubular drains. Choose from a lift rod drain or form and fit pop-up unit. Making installation even easier, the form and fit style bends, compresses, and expands for alignment and holds shape for easy adjustment. Designline grid drain assemblies feature a non-closing design that lets water flow freely into the drain. These units are available in assemblies designed for bathrooms and lavatories with above countertop or vessel sinks. Designline tailpieces with a sink drain stopper and overflow plug are simple and convenient to install. These units are available in a lift rod style pop-up assembly ideal for lavatory sinks with an overflow, or as a basin plug assembly with a stopper and convenient metal ring. When choosing your drain assembly, there are a few things to keep in mind. Pop-up drains can close, which allows water to fill the sink basin. Grid-style drains have small holes, which allow water through, but not anything larger through. However, grid-style drains cannot close. Choose a style based on your preference. Designline pop-up drains have a lift rod that is installed behind the faucet. Pull up on the lift rod to cover the drain and fill the sink basin with water. While most faucets accept a lift rod, not all do, so it is important to check for compatibility before selecting this drain style. It is also important to look for an overflow hole near the top of your sink basin to determine which drain style is right for you. Drains with overflow are for sinks that have an overflow hole. Drains without overflow are for sinks that do not have an overflow hole. Install instructions are provided with Designline drain assemblies. Prepare for installation of your drain assembly by gathering the needed tools. Designline by Oatey offers rugged dependability under the seamless sophistication of the latest tasteful, graceful flair in plumbing.